Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making headlines: Zimbabwe's recent elections and the promises of change from the opposition leader, Nelson Chamisa. Zimbabwe, a nation with a tumultuous political past, held its presidential elections recently, with President Emmerson Mnangagwa claiming victory for a second term. This victory, however, is steeped in controversy. The opposition, led by Nelson Chamisa of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CC, outright rejected these results, citing electoral fraud and voter suppression. But who is Nelson Chamisa, and why are his promises stirring hope among many Zimbabweans? Chamisa has been a vocal critic of the current administration, promising a Zimbabwe that is free, happy, peaceful, proud, and prosperous. These are not just words to the citizens. These represent a beacon of hope, a dream of what Zimbabwe could potentially transform into under new leadership. Chamisa's stance has not only ignited the hopes of many domestically, but has also caught the attention of international observers. The recent election was criticized for falling short of regional and international standards, adding weight to the claims of unfair practices. This has sparked debates and discussions across the globe, with many in the international community calling for a fresh, fair and transparent election process in Zimbabwe. The question now is, can Chamisa, against the odds, bring about the change he promises? Will his vision of a transformed Zimbabwe materialize, or will these remain as unfulfilled promises in the shadow of political turmoil? As the SADC plans to challenge the results both politically and diplomatically, the world watches closely. For Zimbabweans, the stakes are incredibly high. The outcome of this political contest could define the future trajectory of their country. Will it be more of the same, or will Chamisa's vision of unity and prosperity resonate enough to bring about real change? Time will tell, but one thing is clear: the spirit of hope and the desire for change are powerful forces that can redefine nations. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this unfolding story. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this and other global issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.